VS Code versus PyCharm. Which one is better for AI coding? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down Visual Studio Code, VS Code, and PyCharm, two of the most popular code editors, especially if you're diving into AI, machine learning, or Python-based projects. Let's start with VS Code. It's lightweight, free, and super customizable with extensions. If you're working on AI models using Python, TensorFlow, or even LLMs like GPT, VS Code has great support through plugins, Jupyter integration, and GitHub Copilot for smarter coding. It's a favorite among AI developers because it's fast, flexible, and works well with notebooks and scripts. Now let's talk about PyCharm. PyCharm by JetBrains is built specifically for Python development. It comes packed with smart code assistance, debugging tools, and built-in support for scientific packages. Great for serious Python work, but it can feel heavy and slow if you're only doing light scripting or prototyping. So which one is better? If you're building full-scale AI apps and want powerful Python tools out of the box, go with PyCharm. But if you're experimenting, using Jupyter notebooks, or need a faster, lighter setup with more flexibility, VS Code might be your best bet. Both are solid, just depends on how deep you're diving into AI. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.